How's my hair?
I'm not even answering that this time.
What? Alright, so this is the new Polaroid, I guess it's new to me, the Polaroid NOW, and I actually have black and white film already in here, and I'm using the 600 color film as well. So yeah, we're gonna take some really quick shots and see how this thing looks. Like I said, I'm really excited about it. And follow along to see these photos. We're in Nashville. So one cool thing about this camera is you can meter, or you can change your exposure by going up or down, or you can just have it mid. But I'm gonna go overexposed for this one. Here's the first one. I hate that it used the flash. I'm gonna have to turn that off. Put in your bag.
Your oath bag.
My oath bag. By the way, it's a really cool bag. You should check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. So there's a cool spot here. This guy is working, and I think the windows will make for a really good composition. If you didn't know, Nashville got bombed not too long ago, and these are the buildings that they're actually working on now. So I'm gonna underexpose this one.
Got that drone going. There's a drone above us.
Where? Oh, I hear it. Ah, get away from the light. If he doesn't start riding, I'll still be waiting for him to get like right here. I hope I got him.
That felt very delayed.
It did, didn't it? So this may be a waste of film, but I like the two people sitting over there, and I like these bars, so I'm gonna underexpose for this one. Very delayed. Three more on the black and white. This dude is super stoned. What? Like a lot going on right here. You know what I mean? Or if that's for the shot. Freaking flash was on.
It's been on like every time, hasn't it?
I keep forgetting to turn it off. So the camera's pretty cool so far. I wish the flash wasn't on by default. That's kind of annoying because I don't want to use flash every shot, you know what I mean? So I have to go in and click that. It is nice that you do have the ability to over and underexpose. for your shots, which is really cool. And it does have a self timer, which is awesome as well. And it's cool that you can charge it, so we don't have to use batteries anymore. 2021, 2022, pretty cool. All right, let's see if I can get these people on the bridge.
Should have whistled.
I tried to get their attention. That was a good one to end on with this roll. If I can keep the water off of it. You want to do Broadway?
I'll follow wherever you want to go.
Alright. I'm going to put this in under the bridge so we don't get wet. It's just the simplicity versus digital is pretty awesome. It reminds me of 120 film for some reason. I don't know why, but it's a very, I guess, cathartic to shoot with this. I don't know, it makes me feel good. I like it. Color film. Hey, let me try. So one thing you have to keep in mind is that it's technically a rangefinder because it's so offset that it's not going to be in the center. So you have to scoot to the left to actually shoot straight. So that's kind of hard to do. I wish it had like guidelines or some kind of something, but it's really a guessing game. We'll see how it worked out. Would it be disrespectful to take a picture as I go? I'm gonna do it anyway. Broadway. No telling what we're gonna see here. Alright, I'm gonna try to shoot from the hip walking across this road. It's gonna be kind of tough.
Make those? That's fucking badass. Can't believe they've got film for me. He's got the Instamatic out. That's
I'm gonna overexpose. I think it'll look great in color. One more photo. What should it be of? Okay, are you ready? It's gonna be kind of louder here. So that's the end of this video for the Polaroid NOW. One unfortunate thing is the film is kind of expensive. So it's color film is like $20, and then black and white film is like $17. And if you compare that to like 120 film, 120 film is like $12 a roll. Sometimes like portrait for $400, but then you have to get it developed for about $20 something. So in the end, you're kind of losing it on that. At least you get a physical version with this, but you don't get a digital version. So anyways, I don't know why I'm comparing it with 120 film. It's just a type of film, so I use that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys next time.